Abbey at St. Meinrad in St. Meinrad, Indiana. And we're here to talk about things like parallax and the Coriolis effect. These are scientific objections to the Copernican theory. And you may think, well, why are we here? Is it for the lovely scenery? Is it for the historical ambiance? Is it to suggest some connection to the Catholic clerics who seem to be sort of a big part of this story? No, the reason that we're at St. Meinrad is because the playground in St. Meinrad, Indiana has a really awesome merry-go-round with a really good bearing on it that just goes and goes and goes. John Buridan, who came up with the ideas of momentum, would love it. So, what we're going to do with this merry-go-round is use it to replicate the Earth's orbital motion. I'm going to ride on it, and I'm going to orbit around the Sun, which is in the middle there. So, here we have two stars as seen in a geocentric system where the Earth doesn't move. It's pretty boring. The Earth doesn't move, and so nothing really happens with the stars. They're always the same distance from us, so they always look about the same. Their sizes are the same, their separations are the same. There is no annual parallax. Now we are in a heliocentric system. I'm orbiting the Sun while filming this. And as you can see, as I am orbiting the Sun, I get closer to and farther away from these two stars, which means that when I am closest to them, here, they look largest and most widely separated from each other. When I'm out here at the furthest away point, they look smaller and more closely separated. And then as I come back again toward them, they get larger and they separate. So this has to happen. If the Earth is going around the Sun, my distance, our distances from the stars must change. It simply has to happen. And if your distance from an object is changing, then its appearance should change. This is called annual parallax, and this was a significant argument against the idea that Earth was going around the Sun. Because people were not seeing annual parallax.